Assalamu alaikum. My name is Munir Abid.
And my name is Muhammad Hubeb.
And my name is Muhammad Abdullah.
And my name is Saad Randhawa, and we are students of Comstate University Islamabad, and we are going to Jinnah Park for community service project.
Welcome to our community service project, a story of transformation and unity. In our quest to give back and make a positive impact, we embark on a journey to clean and revitalize Jinnah Park. What you are about to witness is more than just a cleanup. It's a testament to the strength of our community, the power of collective action, and our commitment of preserving the beauty of our surroundings.
Cleaning Jinnah Park was not just about riding it off trash and overgrown grass. It was about reviving a shared space that holds special meaning for our community. Our journey was not easy, but the satisfaction we felt with each bag of garbage collected and each blade of grass trimmed was immeasurable. This project reminded me of the importance of taking care of our environment and giving back to our community. Together, we have left a mark that will endure for years to come.
In our pursuit of a cleaner and greener community, I had the honor of being a part of the team that cleaned up Jinnah Park. As we picked up litter and cleared overgrown grass and breathed a new life into this beautiful space, I feel a deep sense of pride. Together we transformed this park into a heaven for everyone to enjoy. This experience taught us the value of community services, and I am grateful for the opportunity to make a positive impact.
As we embarked on the mission to clean Jinnah Park, I realized the power of unity. This experience brought us closer as a team and as a community. It was incredible to see the transformation of the park from a neglected area to a pristine oasis. By cleaning up and restoring this space, we made it more accessible and enjoyable for all. It's a testament to what can be achieved when we come together for a common cause, and I am grateful to have been a part of this journey.
तमाम स्टूडेंट्स और हमारे पाकिस्तानी भाई सारे मिलकर अगर ये काम करें तो हमारा मुल्क जो है बिल्कुल साफ सुथरा हो जाए। सफाई में सामान है, आप लोग को देख के आप लोगों को ये काम देख के हमें बड़ी खुशी हुई है। तो आइंदा भी आप लोग इसको जारी सारे रखेंगे, हमें उम्मीद है, और अपने तमाम दोस्तों को भी आप लोग मिल के अल्लाह पाक आप लोगों की शक्ति दे। थैंक यू।
As we wrap up our community service project of cleaning Jinnah Park, we are filled with a sense of accomplishment and pride. Our hard work has transformed this space and now we are heading back home. The satisfaction of making a positive change in our community fills our heart with happiness. Thank you for joining us on this journey.